Hey guys, it's Green Emerald here, and today we're walking home from school. So I don't know if you can hear me or not because the road and I'm moving and stuff, and this is probably really bad quality and stuff. But yeah, later on I'll be back. Like, whoa, it's never usually. Actually, these clouds, like, oh my god, it's just. I can't really talk right now very well, but I don't know, I like the when clouds are really white and the sky is really blue because it looks really cool. Yeah. Okay, hey guys, it's the Green Emerald here and the sun's shining and stuff, so sorry about that, 1 sec. Okay, so hey guys, it's the Green Emerald here, and today we're like walking home from school. We're like about 3/4 there. We just have to go down this road. There's people, they're looking at me and wondering why I'm holding my phone like this. So yeah, I'll be back later. This is probably gonna be so short because I've just cut like millions of clips and put them together. Oh my god. Oh my god, I have a stitch. Oh my god. This is why I hate walking home. When I get in, I'm gonna have to take my dog on a walk. And I'll take you guys with me. I have the camera facing towards the pavement right now. And that's because look at that view. I mean, it's not very good, but usually in my town we get rubbish weather, but we get sometimes on the odd day we do get nice weather, but when we get nice weather it's really hot. So over the Easter holidays, which is like this week when we wake up, it's also supposed to be heat waves, so yeah. And I got like everybody are just looking at, it's just like looking at me and wondering why I'm like holding my camera, like my iPhone like this and talking to myself. So yeah. Okay, we're almost home. Oh my god. We're almost halfway down the street, and this street is like extremely long. Look at this. That's how far we've walked, and this is how far we have to go. It's very confusing, can't really see that well. Oh my god. I'm gonna switch hands. Oh my god, it's so sunny. So I don't know where I'm gonna take my dog yet. But I don't know, I might take it to the park, might take it to my friend's house. But you guys are gonna come along. So I'll see you guys in the next clip bit. This is weird, I keep doing videos of my face in it, or like in front of me. So this is how far we've got to go. So yeah, don't track me down please by seeing this sign. Just had to cross the road. We're near the town centre. So yeah. Oh god, I can smell burning. So if someone's having a barbecue, we should make sense. Oh my god, the road traffic, I don't even know if you can hear me right now. But it would make sense for people to have a barbecue because it's really warm. So just in case you didn't hear me last clip, basically my school, we break up on Friday from school for 2 weeks. So yes, I'll be able to upload good videos for a bit. And my family are actually going away. Well, my mum and some of my brothers are going away. So I'm going to stay with my dad because I don't really want to go where they're going. So yeah. because last time I went, I had to go outside, like I had to stay inside all night. Like, I mean, I had to stay outside, like not outside in the cold, but like at this party place, not like a bar or something. Like it's weird until 12 o'clock, and I don't really like doing that stuff because of the music gives me a headache. So yeah, I'm gonna stay at my dad's house, and I'll probably see you guys when I get back, which is like, even though it's right up the street, so I may as well do recording. Yeah, I walk pretty fast. I'm pretty slow at the same time, but the house is it's pretty far away, but it's not at the same time. So it takes me about half an hour to get back from school and to walk to school. So yeah. Oh my god, I have a stitch right now. Oh my god. So yeah, I'll be back in the next clip because I have to cross this road, and this road is very annoying. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, alright guys, so back, we're home. Yes, got my blazer on. We're gonna let the doggy out. I can hear it. Alright. Okay. I'll be back later. Spike! Spike! Oh god. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh crap. Oh clip. Oh my god. Spike. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, buddy. Calm down. You stepped in your water. Good one. Oh, don't get me all wet. Oh crap. This is not a good thing to capture. It's just so vile. Okay guys, so Spike is kind of being nice now. Yeah, kind of. No. Goodbye. Yeah, so he's just lying down now, I guess. And yeah, he's tired. So we're gonna take him and to the park or something. Not the like a giant park with the swings, but sorry, he was biting my foot. No biting. Stop biting. Goodbye. We're just gonna take him to the park that's across the street. No biting. Across the street. God. So yeah, we might not though, because around the area that I live there's loads of it's like near the town centre, so loads of people go there to get good deals, and like those are the type of people who like to steal. Oh, dang it! He just climbed on the couch. Oh god. Spike, stop biting me. No, you're even worse than Blossom. Oh crap. And by the way guys, just in case you didn't know. Okay guys, so we have to take Spike out. Don't know where yet, but he's really excited. Yeah, come. Oh god. It's got this nice harness on right here. It's a nice collar on. Now we just need to put a sleeve on. And then, yeah. So I'm looking pretty trendy. I got my jacket, my awesome sauce jacket on. My walnut one, sleeves up, because I'm a badass. I got my jacket thing on, I can't remember what it's called. I got my London t-shirt on, because London is beast, because UK is awesome. And of course, I've got my awesome fringe sweep to the side. So yeah, we're ready to go in a sec. I'm just gonna try and sort out our hair. Oh crap, it would help if I'm actually brushing with the brush. Okay. So we are ready to go. Spike! Spike, what are you doing? So while I was getting ready, I left him down here with his ball. Like this squeaky toy thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna put the phone there. Swallow, but we don't stop biting my body warmer, that's what it's called. Okay, Spike. Yeah. Goodbye. Goodbye. Stay. Let me put, do you want to go on a walk or not? Because if you do, then I recommend stop moving about. There we go. Okay. Stop biting the lid. Come on. Alright, so let's go on then. My hand is behind my back. Go on. Oh, there's his toy. Go on. Do you want to take that? Should we take it? Oh god. Spike. Wait. I look weird. God, Spike really wants to go. So yeah. We'll be back once we are outside and stuff.
Miss Brown used to let us go at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Is that the history teacher?
Yeah. Silver short hair.
Yeah.
She doesn't suit
Her
short
sons are in my year.
You know what she used to do? When she was a kid? No, not when she was a kid, when they were in primary school, the kids. One of her kids were getting bullied, and then she used to sit outside with the sandwiches watching them in the playground. And then she went up. Doesn't that sound like the put there? Alright, Bradley. Has your man moved in yet? Your man moved in yet?
Getting some pop in now. We've got the wood. Walking. Didn't thought was there someone else. I was gonna walk down and say, don't like you, but I like the shoes, not your songs. You know, if you don't like anyone, I'm a friend. So not you songs.
Look at that guy with the blue dot.
A5.